Hello everyone, we here in the harbor of Gatsand, my hometown, and I'm going to do a review about a ship from tiny Hong Kong. Already did a review about a ship from tiny Hong Kong a while ago, back in the summer when it was still nice and warm. Well, today it's also kind of nice blue sky, but it's not so warm, and over there is a good place with not too much wind. So I'm going to take everything out of my bag and then I'm going to show you what ship I've got from tiny Hong Kong. Back in a sec. Okay, so here I've got both of the ships, and when I did a review about the OOCL vessel, I said, well, it would be cool if Tiny make a bigger ship, and they must have seen my video because they make one even smaller. Okay, let's start with the package first. In front we got a nice picture of the boat. Here we got a number 145. Here we got some instruction manual. You can take the bottom off, and then you got some wheels and you can ride it over a hard surface. You can also see that Tiny Hong Kong is active on social media. And here we got some text to freeze the frame if you want to read it. Okay, let's take it out of the package. You can see it's well protected by this plastic. And let's do it like this. So here we got the front, we got some text over there, some painted details. All the containers are blue, and I understand this is a pretty small ship, so if you want to give every container a different color, that's a lot of work. Same for the bridge, 2 colors. Blue containers on the back. We also got some text right here and a copper color screw. Okay, so you can take this part off here, and it feels like diecast, but I think it's hard plastic. Yeah, let's see if we can take it off. So I put my wheel in here. Yep, there you go. You can see there are 2. Oh, focus please. Hello. Focus. No, I don't want to focus. Okay, there you go. There are 2 pins, and they will fit in these 2 holes. And here we see the wheels. And you can roll the boat. But I think it looks much cooler with the bottom on it. Voila. Will it float? No, it will not float, unfortunately. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the other ship. Already did a review about it, but a quick look. Why not? It's a little bit bigger than the other one. This is 1/2000 scale, and the other one is, I believe, 1/4000 scale. And yeah, when it's a little bit bigger, we also have a little bit more details. Yeah, it looks really cool. I was really happy with this ship. Yeah, I'm going to say it again. I hope in the future Tiny Hong Kong will make bigger ships in diecast. That would be totally cool. For now, I have to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your diecast friends, or maybe now I have to say with your friends who like vessels. Yeah, I wish you all a very nice day and happy hunting. Bye.